Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be doing a full beginner's walkthrough. So first of all, what is SportyBet? SportyBet is an online betting platform and you can bet on different sports right here. As you can see, they have almost all the sports available and they even have sports such as these ones right here. These are esports and you can come here and click on games to go ahead and place bets on any of these games. As you can see right here, they even have a live betting section where you can go ahead and watch games and bet on them in real time. They even have scheduled virtual jackpots going on. They even have different promotions that you can participate in. And this is actually available in these countries right here. For example, as you can see, this is one of the countries. And if you want, I'll show you all the different countries it is available in, as you can see right here. Now, to go ahead and deposit money into SportyBet, this one depends on your country. Just come to the top, you hover over My Account, and then you just click here on Deposit. And then on this page, you just enter the amount you want to deposit, click on Pay. They'll send you a push on your phone where you just enter your PIN and you authorize the transaction. And to withdraw, you just go ahead and click there, and you will be withdrawing to your registered account that you're depositing from. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.